Alright, here we have the 2008 Dodge Ram 3500 diesel. Have up for sale. Just gonna do a quick overview of it. Let you take a look at it. It's been a work truck all its life. You're gonna have some dings and dents. Dent here, some dents on the door there. The bed was just put on from another truck. It was originally a dually. Didn't see a need to have it as a dually. I think they look better, single rear wheel. You got a dent there, dent down there. Came with the bed, like I said. Got the 4th generation 17-inch alloy wheels. I do have all the center caps, just do not have them on. It has a old B&W gooseneck that I do not have the hole in the bed made because I don't know if the new buyer is going to actually use it, so they might not want a hole in the bed. Around. It's a pretty good work truck, you know. It's nothing fancy, but it's got a replacement engine in it. It's got a beautiful interior out of a 2015 Ram 3500 as well. Seats are all brand spanking new. This one is the power adjustable lumbar support, very comfortable. Big center console. It lifts up into a seat with the 3 cup holders there. Also got the cup holders here. Got your exhaust brake, rear window that power slides, rear seats as well. Also, beautiful 2015 seats that actually have the armrest and cup holder, which my 2012 does not even have. Kind of jealous of that fact. Very clean. Let's do a start up here. 245,000 on this body. Starts right up. Did have it running a little bit ago. I moved some stuff around with it. Fires right up cold. No issues whatsoever. Got your switch here. Everything works. It's your exhaust brake switch. It does work. You can hear it. Pop the hood. I left the EGR on just for visual, but it is locked off. It is deleted and tuned with H&S Black Max. Everything as it should. The exhaust brake is on. It's a 4-inch turbo back. You can hear the little whistle. It's not on high idle, so it's not that loud. Yeah, it's just a good old truck. Had it listed for $14,000. Brought it down to $12,000. That's an incredibly great price for the truck. I have all the service records, all the work done. The transmission was replaced under factory warranty as well. It's got the 3500, used to be a dually, so it's got the helper springs, which is also nice, so you have extra payload capacity. Yeah, it's all around a really great truck. I mean, can't complain whatsoever. I bought it blown up. I had a hole in the block. Interior was, you know, it was a work truck, so it's pretty ripped up. So I replaced everything and got her up for sale. The whole reason I'm selling is because, like I said, I didn't buy it to keep it. That's my 2012 right there that I drive daily. So thank you for checking out the video. If you're interested, shoot me an email, phone call. Let me know. Thank you.